Thank you so much.
And I'll start our riders off here with our lead rider.
Come on, Andrew.
He's in a hurry.
Can't wait to see what's
This
up.
is our 2012 Horsemanship CPHA Regional winner.
Wendy's letting them. Oh, okay. They're going in order. She's cantering. It's like, come on, gallop.
Once again, we thank all of our riders, all of our trainers, and the committee here for the CPHA for their help here.